This is James, and he won $25,000 in NEWPRO products.
Very shocked, very shocked.
All he did was find NEWPRO's tent at an event in his area and entered our sweepstakes. Then, we called him to let him know he had won.
He left a good detailed message saying it was Scoopapalooza. I was like, yeah, I remember doing that.
So how did James spend that $25K?
I elected to replace our windows. All the bedroom windows, the picture window for the living room, and a bathroom window.
It turns out the $25K came at the right time, as James was having issues with his home's old windows.
Primarily condensation problems. In the winter, it got really bad. Sometimes the condensation would lead to some mold. So when we were cleaning it off to get the new windows, it's like, oh, so glad we'll have our nice windowsill again, nice white, shiny, and not grungy.
So our crews got to work and replaced every window in James's home in just about a day.
I love my new NEWPRO windows. I think it kind of stands out now. It looks nice, very nice.
But NEWPRO's products aren't just about style, they're about durability and functionality.
I was just opening the sliding window in the bathroom, and then very easy to open. I cranked these windows out on the picture window, and it was fairly easy as well. They lock well.
Visit NEWPROSweepstakes.com for your chance to win $25K in home improvement products from NEWPRO.